Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I know that regular facial exfoliation is so important, and this OLEHENRIKSEN Dark Spot Toner has made it so much easier for me to include in my regular cleansing routine. I absolutely love the way this toner smells. It smells to me like a lemon sugar cookie. I have not experienced any major irritation from this toner at all. Because my skin can tend to be a little bit sensitive, especially around the cheek area, I only need to use this toner every second day to reap its great benefits. I've definitely noticed the texture of my skin improving. It feels so much more smooth, and even my makeup application goes on much better. It is such a simple and quick step to include in my nighttime routine. I just wash my face as normal, and I use this toner in place of my regular toner. I especially like to focus this toner in on my nose and the sides of my nose. The pores on my nose feel smoother and smaller. My skin feels so fresh, clean, and revitalized after using this OLEHENRIKSEN toner. And that's my point of view.